Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about my favorite restaurant. New Kolabata restaurant is my favorite restaurant and it is located in Agargaon, Dhaka. It is a popular place for people who love traditional Bangladeshi food. The restaurant is well known for its tasty and affordable dishes such as biryani, khichuri, chicken roast, kebab, curry, and different local items. Many people come here with their friends and family to enjoy fresh and delicious food. The food is served hot and the taste remains as of homemade Bangladeshi cooking. The restaurant is simple but clean and the staff are friendly and helpful. Because of reasonable prices, students and office workers also like this restaurant very much. New Kolapata restaurant is a good place for lunch and dinner and it is loved by many people in the Agargaon area. Overall, it is a nice restaurant for enjoying good food in a comfortable and friendly environment. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.